In this video, I will show you how to send order confirmation SMS for multi-product WooCommerce orders automatically. So assume that you are running an e-commerce store using WooCommerce, and whenever your customer will place an order of multiple products, I will show you how you can automatically send an order confirmation SMS for those multiple products. Want to learn how you can also automate this SMS sending process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my WooCommerce dashboard and this is my online e-commerce store, and in front of you I'm going to place an order with the multiple products, and you will see how instantly an order confirmation SMS will be sent on my phone number only, because at the time of order placement I am going to provide my number only. But to automate this whole process, I will have to build a connection, build an integration in this WooCommerce application and in the application of sending the SMS. So in this video, I will use this Twilio application for sending the SMS. In place of Twilio, let's say you want to go with any other SMS application, you can also do the same, but you will have to connect that application with the WooCommerce with the help of Pabbly Connect software, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send order confirmation SMS for multiple product of WooCommerce order. Now it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I will be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. In this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, I want that whenever any new order is placed in my WooCommerce application and that order should be of multiple products, then automatically a confirmation SMS should be sent via Twilio application. So that is why I'm selecting the both applications in this trigger and the action window, and in this way by clicking on this plus icon you can add as many as action applications as you want and connect different applications with each other and automate complex business processes. Okay, and now the idea here is I will be connecting these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's first connect this WooCommerce with the Pabbly Connect so that whenever someone will place an order, the details will be captured here. Okay, so firstly I'm selecting the trigger event, that is whenever any new order is created. Okay, so here we have the same action event, basically same trigger event. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new order is created. So yes, I want to perform the same, and as soon as I selected the trigger event, you will notice a webhook URL along with a few set of instructions. Okay, so with the help of this URL only we are going to build a connection in WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, and again for that you will have to follow these instructions. So the very first thing you will have to do is to disable this simple response and enable the advanced response. Yes, we are going to capture the order details as in advanced response. You will also have to enable the advanced response, and then only you click on this webhook URL button, and as soon as you click over here you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so I have copied this URL. Going back to my WooCommerce dashboard, firstly I am going to click on the settings option, and then I will search for the advanced option as per the instruction. Here I have selected advanced. Here also it was clearly mentioned that go to advanced section and then go to webhook section. Okay, so this is the advanced section, and here you will find the webhook option, and here only we are going to add a new webhook. Okay, so by clicking on this add webhook button we can actually create a new webhook. So firstly it will ask you to provide a random name. So how about I provide the name something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, further it will ask you to select the status. So I'm selecting this active status. Now asking for the topic, so you will have to select the same topic which you have selected as the trigger event, and in this delivery URL you will have to paste the same webhook URL which you have got via Pabbly Connect, and finally click on the save webhook button, and in this way the webhook will be saved successfully in the dashboard of WooCommerce. Okay, here also you can notice webhook updated successfully. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time any new order is created in our WooCommerce application, the data will be sent to this specific URL, and remember we have got this data via Pabbly Connect, so technically the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect only. Okay, and now I'll show you the response. So here you can notice the response is received along with the webhook ID. That means the webhook is saved successfully, but our objective was to capture the order related details so that we can send the SMS. So I will click on this recapture webhook response once again, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, so in front of you I'm going to place some dummy order. Okay, so how about I add this iron press in my cart, and I'm also going to order this mic. How about I also order this blue round neck t-shirt. Okay, so give me a second, let me add all the details into my cart. Okay, for now I am going to add a single quantity only. So here you can notice it is selected, it is added, and currently we also have this mic, so I am going to add 2 mic, clicking on this proceed to checkout, and lastly I am going to add this t-shirt. Okay, so here I am adding total 3 t-shirts. Okay, so I think I have added every detail in my checkout, and here I am going to place this order with the dummy details only. So the name will be test only, the last name will be customer only, and here you can find all the product details. The company name is Pabbly, the country is India, the street address is again random, the city is Bhopal, the state is Madhya Pradesh, and here we have all the details as well as the email address. Okay, now I am going to make a dummy payment. Basically I am placing a dummy order in my WooCommerce store, and as soon as the order is placed, you will notice that the order details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so coming back and waiting for the response, fingers crossed. So here you can notice the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. If I will take you down, if I will scroll down, you will find the customer details. Okay, remember we have placed the order using dummy email address and the dummy first name last name, and here we also have the customer email address. Okay, where is the phone number? Because currently our objective is to send the SMS, so here we have the phone number. Well, again it is a dummy number, so don't worry, I will replace this dummy number with my genuine SMS number, genuine phone number. Okay, searching for the line items. Okay, did you notice these are all the product details, basically which product I have ordered, what was the quantity, what was the ID of that order, and what was the price. Okay, now you must be thinking why the data has been captured into this particular format. Basically it is into the array format. Okay, don't worry, remember we have captured the same data into the advanced format, so that is why we have got the same order related data into the advanced format, not into the simple response. Okay, so this is the ID of the product. Here we have the product name, this is the ID of order, this is the product name, this is the product ID, and here we also have the price of the product, and this is the image of the product. If I will scroll down, you will find another product. Okay, again this is the order ID, this is another product, here we have the product ID and other details. If I will scroll down more, you will find the product details of the third product, that is this round neck blue t-shirt. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time any new customer will place an order in our WooCommerce store, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture no incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Moving further, I'll show you how you can also send the order related details via SMS, but currently I cannot send this order related data in the same way. I will have to convert that data into a readable format, or we can say into a simpler format. Okay, so how we are going to do that, simply click on this plus icon and search for the code. Yes, with the help of code, using a code, we are going to convert this data into the normal format. Okay, in the action event, go with this run JavaScript beta, click on connect, and it will be connected immediately. And now the very first thing it is asking for the JavaScript code, basically with which particular code and of which particular code you would like to convert. Okay, so firstly you will have to add this particular code which I have already added in my notepad. Yes, you will have to paste the exact code in this particular field. I'll show you everything step by step, don't worry about that. And before the semicolon, you will have to provide the product details, or we can say the line items. And the interesting thing here is I don't need to manually copy the details from above step and paste below again and again. I am going to map these details so that it can be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now here is the turn to provide the value. So how about I directly search for that value? It was line items. Okay, so I have added this line item data after this equal to and before this colon, before this semicolon. Okay, so how about I click on this button save and send test request, and firstly I will wait for the response. And here we have the response. Well, I will have to check what exactly I have done wrong here, because the output has not been captured, the response has not been captured into the correct format. Okay, so give me a second, let me cross check everything. Alright, so I have copied and pasted this particular code once again with Ctrl Shift V, or we can say without any formatting, and then I have mapped this line item data once again. And now I am going to click on this button in front of you once again, and you will notice that a positive response will be received. Basically you will get the details of the order which you have placed at the time of order placement. Okay, so did you notice we have this one iron press that is of 400, we also have this microphone, and we also have this round neck t-shirt. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that our second step is also working absolutely fine. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can send this order details via SMS to your customer, that too automatically. So the application for sending the confirmation SMS is already selected, that is Twilio, and in the action event I'll go with the same, that is the send SMS message. Now click on connect, then click on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the account as ID, this authorization token, and once again this account as ID. Okay, so if you're already logged in your Twilio account, you just need to scroll down here in the dashboard. Okay, and you will find all the details. Okay, so here we have the SID. Let me copy and paste the same at both the places. All right, it is done. It is also asking for the authorization token, and here we have this token coming back, pasting the same and clicking on save, and in this way my Twilio application will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And the very first thing it is asking for the body of the SMS, basically what SMS you want to send to your customer. So remember I have told you that I wanted to send the order confirmation SMS. Okay, so I have already prepared a nice and a short email to send as the confirmation SMS. So let me copy and paste the same here. Now I'll show you how you can map the details of the customer. Remember I have told you whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. So yes, we are going to map the name of the customer, which again I can search with the help of the name only, that is demo user. I'll have to check whether it is the correct name or not. Give me a second. Alright, so here we have the first name as test, giving a space, and let me also map the last name which was customer. Okay, so I have mapped it successfully. This is a confirmation SMS that your order is placed successfully. Here are the details of the order and thanks. Okay, so before this thank you, I am also going to attach all the product details. Okay, give me a second, let me correct the same. I will have to close this drop down, pressing here enter. Okay, and now here exactly I will be mapping the details. Okay, give me a second, searching for the same. It was the product details only, so we are going to provide the product details from our second step. Remember we have just converted the data. All right, I have mapped it successfully. How about I click on this button save and send test request, but before that I will have to cross check why it is not taking my cursor. Give me a second. all right, it is done. Further, it is asking for the sender number, which again you can get from the Twilio dashboard only. Let me copy and paste the same. And the last and the most important thing, it is asking for the recipient number, basically to whom you want to send this SMS. So we want to send this SMS, this confirmation SMS, to our customers. Okay, so again I am going to map the phone number of the same person who has placed this order. I will have to look for that phone number. Give me a second. All right, this is the phone number. Clearly clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response, and you will notice that a positive response will be received. Well, no, it has not provided us the positive response because this number is just a random, just a fake number. So I will have to replace this number with my genuine SMS number, and then I'll show you how messages will be arrived instantly and automatically. Alright, so I have provided my genuine number, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response, and here you can notice it is saying the SMS has been sent on the same number. Give me a second, let me cross check my phone whether the same SMS has been received here or not. And yes, the SMS is received. Give me a second, let me also upload the screenshot. So this is the SMS, this is the screenshot that is, hello demo user, this is a confirmation SMS that your order is placed successfully. Here are the details of the order. This is the ebook on social media, this is the iron press, and this is the microphone. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between this Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce is working absolutely fine, or we can say our automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time someone will place an order here, the details will be sent. The order confirmation SMS will be sent automatically to the same customer. And just in case if you want to access this 3-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And once this automation is ready inside Pabbly Connect, you can even close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.